Have you ever asked your AI a question about today's news or the latest stock price, only to get a response that says, "I'm sorry, my knowledge only goes up to," and a date from the past? It can be a little frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a simple switch you can flip to give your AI the power to browse the live web? That's exactly what we're covering today. Welcome back, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the web search feature to get live, up-to-the-minute information on anything from top news stories to cryptocurrency prices. By the end of this video, you will learn what the web search feature is and why it's a game changer, how to easily find and enable the web search toggle, how to ask questions that get you the best live results, and I'll share some pro tips to make you a power user from the start. Stick with me, and you'll never get an outdated answer again. Let's dive in. Section 1. Built-in knowledge versus live web search. First, let's clear up a common point of confusion. Think of your standard AI like a brilliant, super fast reader who has memorized thousands of books, but all those books were published before a certain date. That's its built-in knowledge. It's incredibly powerful for a huge range of topics, but it doesn't know what happened yesterday. Now, the web search feature is like giving that same brilliant reader a live internet connection and the ability to quickly look up the very latest information for you. It doesn't change what the AI knows. It just gives it a tool to go find current answers. So, when you need something timeless, like explaining the theory of relativity or writing a poem, the built-in knowledge is perfect. But when you need what's happening right now, you need to turn on the web. It's the difference between asking what is Bitcoin and what is the price of Bitcoin today. Section 2. Step by step. How to enable web search. Enabling this is usually very simple, but the exact location can vary slightly depending on the AI you're using. I'll be demonstrating on DeepSeek, but the principle is the same everywhere. Step 1. Find a toggle. When you open a new chat or conversation, look around the text box where you type your message. You're looking for a toggle switch or a button. It's often called web search or search the web, or has a little globe icon. In my case, right here, it's this search button. Step 2, turn on. Just click it. You should see it highlight or change color, and you might even see a little message that says web search enabled or something similar. That's it. You just activated your AI's superpower. Step 3, confirm it's active. Before you type your question, just do a quick visual check. Make sure the toggle is still on. Sometimes, if you switch between different AI models, it might turn off automatically, so it's a good habit to get into. And that's really all there is to the setup. The hard part is over. Now for the fun part, asking the questions. Section 3. Asking the right questions and practical examples. Now, how we use this? It's simple. Just ask your question normally. But to get the best results, let's look at a few examples. Example 1. Top news stories. I'll type, what are the top news stories today? Look at that. Instead of giving a generic answer about what news is, it's actually pulling headlines from major outlets right now, complete with links so I can go read the full articles. This is perfect for your morning briefing. Example 2. Live crypto or stock prices. Let's try a live price. I'll ask, what's the current price of Bitcoin? Perfect. It gives me the current price, the change over the last 24 hours, and it will often cite its sources. You can do this for any stock like Tesla or Apple. Pro tip 1, be specific. If you just ask, what's the news? The AI might not know what you're interested in. Try being more specific for better results. For example, what are the top tech news stories this week? Or find me the latest updates on current event. Pro tip 2, ask for summaries. One of the coolest uses of this is to avoid information overload. You can ask, can you summarize the latest developments in AI for the past month? It will search the web and then condense all that information into a neat, easy-to-read summary for you. Saves you hours of reading. Pro tip 3, it's not just for news. Use it for live sports scores, weather forecasts for your specific city tomorrow, or even the start time for a concert happening tonight. If it's on the web, your AI can now find it for you. Section 4. Conclusion and recap. And just like that, you've unlocked a massive new capability in your AI toolkit. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned. You now understand the difference between the AI's built-in knowledge and live web search. You know exactly how to find and enable the web search toggle. You've seen practical examples of how to ask for live news and prices. And you've got some handy tips on how to be specific and use this for summaries. Remember, this feature turns your AI from a historical database into a real-time research assistant. It's one of the most practical and powerful features you can master as a beginner. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, hitting that like button and subscribe really helps the channel out and lets me know you want more content like this. What should I cover next? Let me know down in the comments. Are you curious about AI image generation or maybe how to write better prompts? A huge thank you for watching and for taking the time to learn with me. Keep exploring and don't be afraid to play around with these features. The best way to learn is by doing. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.